Namaste, welcome to Arthaniti. Today, I want to share with you a personal experience and how we should learn from our own experiences. Right now, yesterday being Sunday, like all the family was in the house, so we decided that we'll eat vada sambar, and I'll prepare it in the house. Now, normally we go out and eat it because South Indian dishes are so easily available everywhere, right? But yesterday, the dish was to be prepared at home, so I checked a very famous YouTube channel and started doing the recipe to the T as was told in that YouTube video. Right after frying a few vadas, I noticed that the vadas were not becoming light and fluffy as they normally should. They were not porous, right? So I was a bit confused as to why this thing was happening. I had done everything what the YouTube lady had said, and yet the vadas were not to perfection. And I was not able to understand what needs to be changed so that the vadas become light and fluffy. Finally, I called my mother, my to go person, right? And I asked her if that this was the problem and I wanted a solution. So she gave me two, three tips. She told me to grind the batter finer, like to a fine paste, and adjust the consistency of the batter. And she said, try doing it after you do this. And I did what my mother suggested me to do. And tada, the vadas became light and fluffy as cotton balls, right? Uh, no sooner did I fried them and took them out, they were getting off the plate. So all in all, the vada sambar menu yesterday was a big hit in the house. Now, why I wanted to share this experience with you is not to share my culinary skills, but what I wanted to tell you from this is that advisors are necessary in today's world where we are uh, we have information overload around us. There is so much of information about each and every topic, right, in the world, that you don't that you come to think that DIY is the way to everything, right? But you still go to a doctor when you fall ill. You still go to a chartered accountant if you have to file your returns, correct? So, while taking decisions with your money, why not go to an investment advisor? Why generally people are of the opinion, why to give commission to an investment advisor when I know what I want from my money, where I want to invest it? Then why should I spend more and uh, go to an investment advisor to seek his or her advice? Well, you see, an investment advisor is working in that area day in and day out. You are not. You probably are in a different profession, right? But the money that you earn from that profession needs to be invested in such a way that your goals are achieved. The money raises in value over and above the inflation that is prevailing in the market, and it acts as a buffer for you in case you need that money, correct? So, or does your investment portfolio have a healthy mix of all the options available, looking at your risk profile, looking at your income status, looking at your age? Have you done investments which suit your profile? Well, an investment advisor is a very right person to tell you about this. Please do not refrain yourselves from approaching an investment advisor and paying his commission. Instead of saving on that commission, if the advice given by an advisor is going to help you earn or better returns on your investment, then what is the harm in paying the commission to an advisor? Correct? See, look at it as a helper, look at it as someone who's going to tell you the fine nuances of investing, of putting your money in the right place, so that that little difference or that little thing that he tells you will add more value to the money that you have invested. Like the little things, the tips that my mother gave me help me with my vadas, right? An investment advisor can help you with little tips, with fine information about investing so that you make the right investment decisions and put your money where they should be put so that you earn better returns from them. I hope this video of mine has helped you in a little way in your investment journey. Like my video, share my video, and follow my YouTube channel. See you next time.